Singular noun to plural noun. A singular noun is a noun that refers to one person, place, thing, or idea. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place, thing, or idea. To change a singular noun to a plural noun, you usually attach s behind the word. Pen, pens. Cat, cats. Boy, boys. Snake, snakes. Window, windows. Pencil, pencils. To transform singular nouns ending in s, ss, sh, ch, x, or z, into plural, add es to the end of the noun. Example: bus, buses. Box, boxes. Kiss, kisses. Witch, witches. Bench, benches. Brush, brushes. Branch, branches. Watch, watches. Singular noun ending in y. If the letter before y is a vowel, keep the y and add s. Example: boy, boys. Way, ways. Day, days. Toy, toys. Key, keys. Turkey, turkeys. Monkey, monkeys. Singular noun ending in y. If the letter before y is a consonant, change y to I plus es. Example: baby, babies. Study, studies. Country, countries. Story, stories. Family, families. Party, parties. Puppy, puppies.